such a good... Die!
On the ground.
Oh, it's like a rabbit fur or like dingo.
Oh.
Cool. Go back a bit.
Yeah, and get hit by a car. You walk. Oh shit.
They got backwards. Here you go. I could have hand-fed a pigeon, but I...
What's it called?
Dusty.
Did you find Dusty?
It looks like Dusty, but like fatter and fluffier. That's what Dusty...
Alright, they may come on over and smell your hands, they may smell your... One of you, both of you preferably. They know manners, they know not to use tongue, they will just give your face a smell. Oh, good job, good kisses. Up to 5 completely different people in it. So normally you're only up here for about 2-ish minutes at a time. It's just the 2 of you today, so there will be more time available. So if your arms do get sore, don't be afraid to put them down. They won't be offended if you're not patting them the whole time.
Do you want to have...
Several dens around the place for them to sleep in. The big rock den over there is their favourite. They'll also use the black teepee down the far end. This teepee here, I only ever really... Do you guys see a lot of kookaburras around your place?
No.
Oh, there you go. Do you want to have a turn? We'll see if she wants to come over to you. Do you have any questions? What is going on, girls?
So that's why they call the laughing kookaburra.
Frog mouth. Well, that definitely looks like a frog.
Yeah, look at that.
Where is it? Oh my gosh, that looks like a mini emu mixed with a normal bird. Is there a straw glider?
Hi.
Some crispy.
They good?
I'm trying them. Can I try both of them?
Yeah.
Watermelon goods.
Isn't it?
I have no idea, but it looks so cool. Reminds me of Starbucks. Oh, wait.
Good.
This one does not look up top. The pink's definitely my favourite. No, I like this ice drink like this.
You haven't tried the peach.
Oh my gosh. Peach is way better.
Hello, it's me.
See? You judged it too early.
Rest in peace.
The peach doesn't look that good.
Yeah.
Like, just look like sparkling water. Sparkling water. Tastes like sparkling water. Then a bit of peach at the end.
That's perfect.
And this one tastes like watermelon and then sparkling water at the end. That's not very good.